Hello, Samantha.
Hello.
What are you gonna make for us today?
A pop-up.
Pop-up. Ooh,
It's a
wow.
pop-up bunny.
Pop-up bunny. All right, let's do this. You ready?
Yeah. So you'll need a piece of paper,
Piece of paper,
black,
black pencil.
and red,
Okay.
and yellow.
All right, let's do this.
Okay. So you don't need to draw right now because we're folding it.
Okay, fold
So
it
first, you fold it this way,
in half. Okay.
and then you take the other end, and then you fold it here,
Okay, flip it up.
and then you turn it around, and then put
The
this
other side. Great.
here, and then you're done folding.
Okay. So you open one of the ends, and you're gonna do a drawing now, right?
Okay, so first you draw a circle.
Okay, that's half a circle. Oh, a full one. Okay. Great.
Okay, and then you draw the bunny ears.
Bunny ears. One ear. Shade it in. And the other. And a shade.
It's not a shade, it's the inside of the ears.
Okay then.
Okay, and now you do the eyes.
Uh-huh. One eye, two eyes.
Then you put another eye. Then you put another circle inside of the big circle.
Okay.
And then you color it.
Alrighty. Looking good. I can see the bunny now.
Then you draw the nose.
Okay. Ooh, it's like inverted triangle. Upside down triangle, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the mouth.
Bunny. We have a bunny.
Now you draw the arms.
Okay. One arm, two arms,
And the legs.
one leg, two legs. Great.
And then when you open it,
Okay.
the bunny will be in half.
Ah. Okay, draw that up.
And then we need to draw a heart explosion.
Ooh, let's do this. I can't wait to see the explosion.
Okay, so first you draw a heart.
Ah, big hat.
And then draw a zigzag circle.
Okay, for the explosion. Lovely. Ooh, that is beautiful artwork.
Okay, like this.
Okay. Wow. I'm loving it.
There.
Okay, what comes next?
The coloring.
Yay!
Okay, so first color in the heart.
Heart is red. Red, red, red. The heart is red. Beautiful heart.
Okay,
Okay, color, color, color.
and then you color in the explosion.
Ooh, that's a big one. Yellow, very shiny.
Look that shiny.
It's shiny like the sun. And the sun is very, very shiny, isn't it?
Yeah, and a bit too hot.
And very hot. Wow. Looking good. Hot explosion.
And now we're done.
Whoa, look at that. That is amazing. Now you're gonna show us how it works like a puppet, right? Okay. Can't wait to see this. Alrighty, let's see the big reveal. So you show us as a bunny. Oh, just a bunny, right? Here comes a big, big surprise! Whoa! Let's see that again. Let's see that again. Simple. Oh! Big explosion. Again, one more time. Simple bunny. Ah! Beautiful explosion inside. I love it. Oh, that is really, really lovely, darling. Well done.
Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos. Bye.
Bye.